Hello there, I'm Aras. Today, in this video, I'm diving into the world of sandwich making. Coming with me. At first, none of the staff felt comfortable in front of the camera and everyone had some reservation. Until one of the guys stepped up, agreed to wear a mask and a hat, and kick-started our collaboration. So I put on my work clothes and got ready to make sandwiches. So get ready yourselves to see a really tough job. He told me to start by putting the semi-prepared meats in the oven with cheese and other necessary ingredients. We had orders and things were quite hectic, so I had to work quickly to keep up. We have two small sandwiches and I learned how to slice the bread in half and how to fill it with sauce and other ingredients. Here I took charge of the sandwiches myself. Again, I asked about the essential ingredients for the filling. My work was really fast-paced and I had to manage everything. Anyway, 6 hands I didn't have. Alright, I removed the main components of the sandwich with tongs from the oven. Now I had to mix them, roll them up and put them inside the sandwich. The sandwiches went into the toaster, crispy and delicious. With the toast, all the sandwiches comes and it would stick to, and they were ready to be served. So I wrapped up the prepared sandwiches and went on to the next ones. After completing those challenging tasks, my chef work came to end and I was very tired. After cleaning up, I had to go. Before leaving, I definitely had to taste the sandwiches I had made for myself. So I enjoyed those delicious sandwiches and I swear it felt like they had the taste of heaven, man, I swear. So here there were also turkey sandwich and some other sandwiches that I had to prepare. My friend, the sandwiches were peeling up and time was running short. Here, I'm so tired. I have so sleep here. I must sleep. It is so hard. This is my exit of this sandwich station, and I like this work. It's so hard, but I like it, and must go. And I should to taste one sandwich here right now. Okay, we're going to taste this sandwich, Chicago steak. Oh my god. Best taste I ever tasted in the sandwich. This is a war. This meat is awesome. I don't know what to say, really. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow our videos. I'll be introducing you to various sandwiches and delicious foods, showing you how tasty they can be. Until next time, in 2 days, goodbye.